Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Unique Fashion Every Sense. This video about new beautiful maxi long skirt for women. Unique design. A skirt is a piece of clothing that hangs downward from the waist. Different skirts have been worn in many colors at different times. There are skirts that were clothing for women, for men, or for both. In modern Western European culture, skirts are usually worn by women, which is which are traditional skirts of men that are still worn today. Skirts are worn at semi-formal occasion and sometimes at formal occasion. Although a dress is more common, the bottom part of the dress can also be called a skirt. Skirts have been worn by people for a very long time in the past. A skirt made out from was found in Armenia. In ancient Egypt, men and women have worn skirts. The people in the south of East and Central Europe use clothes that go around the around like dresses. The Northern Europe people wore skirts and blouses. In the Middle Ages, women also used clothes that like dresses. The bottom part of the dress form skirt